know that you're afraid. You're afraid of us. I don't know the future. I didn't come here to tell you how this is going to end. I came here to tell you how it's going to begin.
Let me hear you make some Holy Ghost crazy noise right now. Oh God, once again, we come into your presence with expectancy in our hearts. God, we know you're going to bless us. So we lift our hands in the sanctuary and we give you glory and honor and praise. Come on, come on. This can be the greatest night of our lives.
Sometimes something beautiful happens in this world. You don't know how to express yourself, so you just gotta sing.
All I do is praise, 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 no matter what. I Jesus on my mind, I can never get enough. And every time His presence in the building, everybody hands go up. We the people. And they say that, and they say yeah, and they say that, and they say that.
Don't stop that. Engage.
Father, I just want to stop for a minute and just say I love you. There's nobody like Jesus. There's nothing like His plan for my life. There's nothing like the words that He's spoken over me. Oh, there's nobody like Jesus. There's nothing like the love that He shows. Nothing like His grace and His mercy. I am so grateful. Nobody like Jesus. Yeah. There's nobody like Jesus. No. There's nobody quite like Jesus.
This is your last chance. After this, there is no turning back. You take your blue pill, the story ends. You wake up in your bed and believe whatever you want to believe. You take the red pill, you stay in Wonderland, and I show you how deep the rabbit hole goes.